My name is Dandelion. I fly in the sky for thousands of years. I cross the plains, mountains, seas, deserts. I've heard what you haven't heard. I've seen what you haven't seen. I saw the Circassians and the genocide on May 21st, 1864. And I am a witness to this tragedy. From now on, I am the symbol of all Circassians who are the victims of genocide and exile, who are struggling to keep their identity, culture, and mother tongue alive. I am the symbol of all Circassians. Please, from now on, where and whenever you see me, remember and make me remember as the genocide flower of Circassians.